Following the Supreme Court's ruling overturning Roe versus Wade, much of the focus has been on the effects for women.
There's also been a change in men's activity, a surge in interest about vasectomies. Manuel Bajorquez explains.
I just want to get a feel for why you feel so confident that you're going to be happy with your vasectomy decision indefinitely.
From his office near Tampa, urologist Doug Stein calls patients who are under 30 or do not have children to discuss whether they are 100% sure they want a vasectomy, a call he's now making more often.
We generally see about 12% in our practice men who are child-free. And then we generally see about 12% of men who are under the age of 30. But the number of both young and child-free nearly doubled.
The two-doctor practice performs 6 vasectomies an hour most days.
Some decisions not just made by men, but by families.
50% of our calls are from women.
I just need you to print, sign, and date it.
27-year-old Thomas Figueroa says he and his girlfriend do not want children, so getting a vasectomy was always on his mind.
I've always thought about this decision. The Supreme Court did push me to finally do it.
The procedure, which blocks sperm from entering semen, is outpatient and takes about 10 minutes with about a 2-day recovery, as opposed to a female tubal ligation, which is riskier and much more invasive. For Figueroa, this is also about easing the burden on women who have had their constitutional right to abortion taken away, and for those who feel restrictions on birth control could come next.
I feel for a lot of men, especially for myself, that this is a way where they're trying to protect their girlfriends, they're trying to protect their partners, they're trying to protect their future partners.
In Houston, Jordan Castro's post about getting a vasectomy went viral. He did it last fall after Texas passed a law banning abortion after about 6 weeks of fertilization.
Really try to put yourself in a woman's shoes. I really think guys should take that into account and just take a little bit more responsibility.
And while vasectomies are reversible, not all reversals are successful.
All right, very good. Do you have any pain?
That's something Dr. Stein stresses to his growing number of patients.
And do you see this as a trend that will continue or just kind of a spike?
I think that maybe where the spike is over and we're tapering down a little bit, but I think we haven't tapered back down to pre-Roe overturn numbers.
In fact, Dr. Stein says they are booked through August, which is as far in advance as they've been booked before. Manuel Bajorquez, CBS News, Miami Shores, Florida.